Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video, we will show you how to remove the Gamma AI watermark for free using Canva. So as you can see, I have this Gamma PowerPoint presentation available here. And usually you will be finding a Gamma watermark on your screen, on your right hand side or in the bottom of your screen. So in order to remove it, you can just go ahead and download this presentation right here first and go over to the Canva website and go ahead and log in into your account or sign up for Canva account if you have not signed up yet, and you do not need the paid version to do this. Now once you're in the dashboard, you can just go ahead and select the option for create and select the option for presentations. And once you do so, you can select this option for presentation 16:9 and open it up on your screen. Now that you've opened it up, what you need to do is basically go ahead and upload your presentation right here in this section. You can choose the presentation here. So you can basically upload it. Let me just go to this upload section here and go to upload files. Once you are here, you can select a presentation that you have downloaded recently and then click on open once you find it up on your screen. And the presentation should be uploaded here in this on this section right here. So you can just wait for this upload to be completed on your Canva and wait for Canva to load all of the pages of the presentation available. So you can just go ahead and look out for your PowerPoint presentation, head over and upload it here. You can drag it up and there we go. Right here, and in the bottom right corner we can see this logo right here made with Canva. So let's apply all three pages here, and there we go, and we have embedded applied all three pages here. Now in order to remove the logo of Canva, what we need to do is go to each slide one by one. So you can go to first slide first, and then you can go to the Canva watermark in the bottom right corner. After that, you can just go ahead and right click on it and select the option for delete, click on it and confirm it, and there we go. Or you can basically go ahead and what you can do is you can basically press delete or backspace key, and that should also do it for you. You can follow the same for the another slide as well, and there we go. Now you can see there is no such Gamma watermark on your presentation. You can just go ahead and click on share at the top right. From there, just go ahead and click on download and download the particular presentation on your device and share it wherever you're trying to do it. And that is it. So you can follow up this process if you'd like to have no watermark on Gamma presentations. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.